You know, Kosovo is not its own country. It is a place that was designated and taken away from Serbia to become under the total rule of these Albanian Muslims. Let me draw the picture for you. The picture is going down a road where there are homes that there's nothing left but the framework, because they even, after they expelled the people and ran them off, they even took all the bricks. Some of them are just land, and you can see the foundation left only. It is a land that has been thoroughly stripped of the people, the love, and the God that lives inside the courtyards of those churches. It is not a pretty sight. And surrounding it, they have the audacity to build up new homes where nobody lives, just to make it look like they're renewing the land. And the biggest insult is where they built a huge Catholic church in one of the towns.
Pristine.
Yes, it's a beautiful big church that very seldom does anybody ever show up at, because they're not Catholics. It's easy to build a church that nobody will go to and say you've done something good. But the truth is, people, they did nothing good. These people are under suffrage, is what it is.
Let's not leave out that just a mile from that Catholic church that was put up to please Westerners,
boy, here we go.
There's an actual 700-year-old monastery church, an Orthodox one, that was made into a bathroom, and no one can restore it. There are actual Orthodox Christians there, and they can't even go there anymore. They won't allow you to legally restore that building.
And the Muslims go in that church and use it for a toilet. This is the truth. I mean, I can't be more blunt. I was there. I saw it. We both did. And I thought you were going to bring up something else that really
that there was a mosque every like 10 feet?
Well, no. Don't forget that in one of the cities there, we also saw a statue of Bill Clinton.